Natural makeup tips. Enhance your beauty with a subtle glow. In a world where bold and dramatic looks often take center stage, natural makeup has a charm of its own. The goal is to enhance your features, not mask them, offering a radiant and fresh-faced appearance that celebrates your individuality. Whether you're heading to work, a casual outing, or just want to feel confident at home, natural makeup is a versatile choice. Here are some essential tips to help you perfect a natural makeup look and achieve a flawless yet understated glow. 1. Prep your skin for a smooth canvas. The foundation of any great makeup look starts with skincare. For natural makeup, a healthy, hydrated complexion is key. 1. Cleanse. Begin with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and oil. 2. Exfoliate. Use a mild exfoliator once or twice a week to get rid of dead skin cells and create a smooth surface. 3. Hydrate. Apply a lightweight moisturizer to keep your skin plump and hydrated. 4. Sun protection. Never skip sunscreen. 4. Choose a lightweight, non-greasy formula to protect your skin without clogging pores. 2. Go light on the foundation. For a natural look, less is more when it comes to foundation. 1. Choose a lightweight formula. Opt for a tinted moisturizer, BB cream, or light coverage foundation that evens out your skin tone while letting your natural skin shine through. 2. Apply sparingly. Use a damp makeup sponge or your fingers to apply the product only where needed, such as in areas with redness or uneven skin tone. 3. Use concealer strategically. Instead of layering your face with foundation, focus on concealing imperfections. 1. Under eye brightening. Apply a small amount of concealer under your eyes to mask dark circles. 2. Spot concealing. Dab concealer on blemishes or redness using a precision brush for a seamless finish. 3. Blend well. Blend the edges of the concealer into your skin or foundation for a natural effect. 4. Define your brows. Naturally well-groomed brows frame the face and can elevate any look. 1. Brush and tame. Use a spoolie to brush your brows upward and trim any stray hairs. 2. Fill sparingly. Use a brow pencil or powder to fill in sparse areas with light, feathery strokes that mimic your natural hair. 3. Set in place. Finish with a clear or tinted brow gel to hold the shape all day. 5. Add a touch of color to your cheeks. A natural flush adds life to your face. 1. Cream blush. For a dewy look, choose a cream blush in a shade close to your natural flush, pink, peach, or coral, and apply it to the apples of your cheeks. 2. Blend upwards toward your temples for a lifted effect. 3. Powder blush. For oily skin. If you have oily skin, use a light dusting of powder blush instead. 6. Keep the eyes subtle. For natural makeup, the eyes should be soft and understated. 1. Neutral eyeshadows. Use earthy tones like beige, taupe, or light brown to subtly enhance your eyes. 2. Apply a lighter shade on your lids and a slightly darker one in the crease for definition. 3. Skip the heavy liner. Instead of a bold eyeliner, use a brown or black pencil to lightly line your upper lash line for a more natural look. 4. Mascara. For definition, apply 1 or 2 coats of mascara to your upper lashes. 4. Use a brown mascara for an even softer effect. 7. Highlight your best features. A subtle glow can elevate your natural makeup. 1. Choose a natural highlighter. Use a cream or liquid highlighter in a champagne or pearl shade. 2. Apply sparingly. Focus on the high points of your face, like your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, and your cupid's bow. 2. Blend well for a seamless finish. Conclusion. Natural makeup is all about enhancing your features in a way that feels effortless and true to yourself. By focusing on light, breathable products and blending them seamlessly, you can achieve a radiant, polished look that's perfect for any occasion.